Okay, so our 4 days exploring Chiang Mai has just begun. It's going to be exciting, but I'm not excited about my street cred going out the window. We're exploring on this thing. Oh God help me. Why did you make me get that bike? Why? So our first stop of the day was this pretty cool little viewpoint.
ดูทรงผมเลย
Come on, go! Okay, so I think we've made it to the top of Doi
Pui.
Doi Pui.
Yeah,
Peak.
Doi Pui, yeah.
But it's been like a 2-hour drive to get up here, and the road is closed. So yeah, and it's still like another few kilometers to get up there, and so unfortunately now we're going to head back down the hill and see if we can stop off at a few waterfalls and see, because the time is getting on. So gotta make the most of every second of daylight we've got up here. So you ready, babe?
Yeah.
Yes.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
ถนนมันมีอยู่เส้นเดียวแล้วมันก็เลยต้องขับกันอย่างนี้แล้วมันก็เป็นถนนที่อันตรายมากบนเขาหาทางออกไม่เจอนะคะเลไม่รู้ว่าทางออกมันอยู่ตรงไหนเพราะเราขับกันมาสูงมากแล้วทางมันเป็นหลายทางมากตอนนี้ไม่รู้ว่าเราอยู่จุดไหนของป่า
Okay, so yeah, hippopotamus. So day 2 in Chiang Mai, and we're playing tourists today. We're actually at Chiang Mai Zoo, and this is the closest I've ever been to a hippo. Check this out. That's just so epic, man. The last time I've seen it, hippos, was in Zambia with my dad. We've seen about 16, but they were like 200-300 meters away. So it's pretty awesome being pretty close to these guys. So yeah, we're going to explore the rest of the zoo and see what other amazing, crazy animals we've got here. Excited, darling?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So far so good. Hippos, pandas, and now white lions, I think. Yeah, white lions. Check him out, man. We've got another one showing his butt to us. Still pretty dope. You want to keep doing it? Alright, so the zoo was pretty cool. Seen like a pretty cool few animals. Stop doing that, I'm trying to work. Seen hippos, giraffes, hippos, giraffes, tigers and stuff, but like I say, we've seen that stuff before. We've stayed there for like an hour. Now it's time to get back and look at the cool stuff. And I think we just found some pretty epic.
And I got way too many feels, way too much emotion, I don't even know it's real. I just say fuck it, keep on going. And I get deeper, yeah, I feel I'm running. I can see you, yeah, I see you, I don't know, I think I'm running. Yeah, it's way too many feels, way too much emotion, I don't even know it's real. I just say fuck it, keep on going. I get deeper, yeah, I think I'm running. I can see you, yeah, I see you, I don't know, I just keep going. I got way too many feels, way too much emotion.
This place is so sick, man. Dope. You want to see magic? Yeah, this, babe, what's this place called? Muang On Cave. Yeah, Tam Muang On Cave in Chiang Mai. Definitely come here. This is just, it is just unbelievable. Let me check this out, and then let's roll some cinematics to show you some other aspects of this cave, or other parts of it. Right, check this. Look at this, man. This is like a giant lying down Buddha down here. I mean, look at that. That's unreal. I mean, all this. And we're a couple of 100 meters under the ground. Speechless. Cinematics. We're in this cave right now in Chiang Mai, and this is just, man, I don't even know. It's one of the scariest things I think I've ever seen. This place is so sick. Yeah, no, that's more like it. Babe, what's this called? What's this temple called? Wait. Okay, we'll wait. La di da, la di da. La di la di la di la di. La di la di la di la di. Same India, man.
อะไรดีวัดเจดีย์หลวง
Okay, that one.
วิหารเชียงใหม่
Yeah, this is just insane. I'm trying to find out how old this thing is right now. It's so cool. You could have a lot of fun on there back in the day, man. Check it out. So sick. Yeah. Welcome to our new house. You gonna show us our house, babe? Yeah, I'll give you. Here you go. So yeah, we just. She's an amazing little tour guide. We just arrived at this like really awesome like garden slash palace thing. So cool. What's it called?
สวนพฤกษา
Yep. I've given up trying to pronounce these things. So yeah, this place looks dope. You hard at work, babe? That's a well funky looking mushroom. Oh, it's very cool. Ding 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 ding. Check that out. That temple, man, this is so amazing.
I love Chiang Mai.
So cool, yeah, so do I, babe. This place is unreal. But we can't fly drones. Already asked. Shame, but we should still get some good content here. You really like it here, baby?
Flower.
So nice. Yeah, I mean, I would love to be filming on the 1DX, but as you all know, I like doing stuff, oh yeah, without other people in it. And there's just too much here, so hence why we're just doing most of this on the G7X. But it's still good stuff though. This place is just, this is awesome. I might just get the 1DX out for this. Quite a few cinematic clips, why not? Guess what we did? Alright, so we've just been up to this pretty cool temple. We're going to get some footage, but there's like hundreds of people. So the game plan now is we're going to put the drone up, see if we can get some cool shots. If not, it's been a good 3 days in Chiang Mai, so yeah, let's do it. So there's the temple. I'll just focus on it now. But we're just not sure what the distance is going to be like. Why are you not focusing? So it's already 200 meters away and there's loads of trees. So let's see what happens.